something.
Okay, the next one.
See if he'll take it. Did mommy try? Get closer.
No.
Oh.
Mama.
Let's feed him food.
There you go.
Mommy.
Buddy, he's got a cup. Look.
Did you see? Now we go.
All done?
No.
I think it's the last animal. Might as well feed it to him.
You go to that.
Go to
Corey, watch. Watch the zebra. Corey, look, he's gonna eat it. Or he was.
Is that it?
No.